Hello, my name is Armando Versa, co-founder of the SmartSquat Fitness Board. As trainers, our passion is helping our clients achieve results safely, and we dedicate our lives to it. We all know form is everything when working out, and that's why we created SmartSquat. SmartSquat improves exercise form by effectively teaching how to maintain 3 critical aspects of form: how to properly hip hinge, maintaining posterior weight shift, and stabilizing the core. SmartSquat teaches these important aspects of form by alerting you with a gentle tipping motion that you immediately feel when form is wrong. For squatting and virtually all other free weight exercises, the biofeedback feature of the SmartSquat helps to guide form by providing a physical cue that is internally felt, establishing a mind-muscle connection. Using the SmartSquat is simple. Stand on the SmartSquat in the tip position and align each outer ankle bone directly above the green center of gravity lines. As individuals, we are all different. Note, the blue foot images on the surface of the SmartSquat are not recommendation for stance width, position, or angle of the feet. So please stand with your desired stance or about shoulder width apart. Once your feet are properly aligned, activate the SmartSquat by slightly hinging at the hips and increase pressure towards the back of your foot. When the SmartSquat is level, you are ready to exercise. When exercising with the SmartSquat, you may feel the board gently tip forward. The gentle tipping action you feel is the physical cue personally alerting you at the exact moment to fix your form. When you feel the board tip forward, immediately stop and simply level the board to the activated position before continuing. You should never exercise with the SmartSquat in the tip position. Now let's see how SmartSquat helps squat form. On the downward phase, if knee bending starts the motion or if weight is too far forward, SmartSquat will immediately begin to gently tip, alerting you to keep your weight back and load your hips. When going back up, if you push too hard through your toes or if your weight shifts too far forward, SmartSquat will immediately begin to gently tip, alerting you to keep your weight back. The tipping action you feel is how SmartSquat helps create the mind-muscle connection. The SmartSquat helps you get better results from a variety of exercises. Properly hip hinging, maintaining posterior weight shift, and activating the core are essential aspects of form and applies to squats and virtually any free weight exercise. The SmartSquat will enhance the effectiveness of step back lunges, Romanian deadlifts, bent over rows, bicep curls, shoulder presses, and much more. With SmartSquat, you are actively using your muscles to hold correct body position, resulting in natural core stability to isolate the targeted muscles. The SmartSquat can benefit all populations and is effective for all skill levels. Even advanced fitness levels can benefit greatly, because we all know in the later stages of a workout, form suffers. As you now know, with SmartSquat, you will enhance your teaching of the fundamental component of the squat and many other exercises without the monotony and frustration of typical repetitive drills, thus making SmartSquat a game changer for gyms, private studios, and group classes.